I gonna do you now? New link and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. New link. Attack.
Bless up, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on the cell, man. I don't know what the thing, you know. What I want to know, people, is why some people in Jamaica wicked and cruel, so. Right? Why when them see I look at youth a rise, I look at youth a strive out of the ghetto, them try to bring him down. You know what I mean? I want to know why. Why? Because now, people, it is where this look at youth now, Jamaican ghetto Michael Jackson now, has been targeted by scammers. And the manager of this youth now, Westy people, is very sad right now and angry about it because man I say, imagine him youth where him a push, just I get the local push people, you know what I mean, get couple interviews for ER and other platforms people. And in the end now, you see a lot of people are come and build up some fake pages and not say at them have them are the booking scheme. And you understand, like them want to take people money for this youth. The man say he can't believe because this youth not start making the money off him own it. Him just a bill him thing. And to know this happen. Him say at first, you know, say 1 and 2 pages could have bill and could have report. And but the man say 2 of them enough now people. It's out of control. Because it's like every day more and more pages are built up. And said them are this youth, them are booking agent for him. Anybody want to contact them or anything like that. So what the manager says is working on people and he's trying the best to get the blue tick on his Instagram account so people can know that he's the official one. That's the official page for him because in the end he don't want people to be scammed. You know what I mean? So people now have to be careful because it happen. Where a lot sometimes you go on Instagram, sometimes you go on Facebook and you try to type in an artist and you will see all 5,500 different pages come up and you click on them. But these are fake people. Fake people who build these things. Sometimes them are booking agent. Sometimes you want to do this, you want to go jingles and dub, and you send your money go to them, and you wait from now till next year or a year after. You never hear back from them people. Be careful. And in times like now, they're gonna do it a lot. So be careful. So I'm saying, if you don't really want to get him, it's at Jamaican Ghetto Michael Jackson people. You know what I mean? And when I go on Instagram, look for the one with the most followers because I think you have over 20,000 followers going up to 30,000 now. So look for the one. And that's the one with like 50, 100 or 1,000 or so followers. Don't check for those ones. Those ones are fake. Be careful. Zine, because see, New Link give this youth a big push people because I want to see this youth. You know what I mean? Go out there just like when I attack a boy and what do you feel? Some want to see the youth go out there, but you see when I see people that try to bring him down and tear him down, it make me feel upset and angry too. Because I tell you, I am from the ghetto also. So you see every ghetto youth, when I see them go somewhere and I go the right way people, New Link can come to boom and say, go ahead you know. And once New Link can give them a push, New Link can come to boom and say go out the road. But you see when we see the wicked them and the demons them come for try to tear down the youth them. Oh my world, oh my peaches, New Link attack. So you see all of uno, demons, scammers, thief, liar, who are build them fake pages to stop the youth, attack phone. Attack for uno. I mean ask them attack on you know. More and more attack for uno. Because me are telling them say yo, uno is a disgrace and a shame to Jamaica. Viewers and subscribers, big up yourself. Peace out. Jamaican Ghetto Michael Jackson to the world.